morning, friends. I'm Angela. Welcome to Gotta Eat and Run. Today we are in Irvine, California. We're getting ready for the Wild Rivers 5K. This is a Karen Ware event. And before we go, we're going to fuel up at MoonGoat Coffee Roasters. I found this place during my search and it looked really interesting. Let's go see what they can fuel us up with. Our order is up. Today we got a matcha pistachio croissant, we got a chagachino, and we got avocado toast. So we're going to start with the chagachino. So this is espresso, vanilla, monk fruit sweetener, adaptogenic mushrooms, and almond milk. So it's basically a healthy latte that'll hopefully also get you physically and mentally ready for the day. So we could definitely use that today before a 5K. It really does just taste like a almond milk latte. It's really light, it's refreshing. I don't taste the mushrooms at all. I don't really taste the vanilla or the cocoa either. So it's just like subtly sweet. So yeah, it's just a nice light iced latte. Let's try this pistachio matcha croissant. So this just looks so great. Let me show you a little bit closer here. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. All right, let's give that a try. So the icing is definitely sweet and it's thicker than I thought it would be. Let's try that again. So I like the croissant and I like the flavor. I'm not sure if I'm a big fan of the texture of this icing. It's a little thick, a little waxy. I think it would be better if it was just maybe more like a glaze. So that would probably be my only critique, but the croissant itself is nice and fluffy. Moving on now to the avocado toast. So they do have an option where you can get bacon or some more hearty things on it. I just wanted to do the bread, avocado mash, tomatoes, and arugula. It looks really fresh, so let's give it a taste. Let's get another bite. This bite with this tomato right here. The bread that they use is good. It's soft on the inside, but then it has a nice crust, so you do have a bite to it, which is nice. The arugula is on the lighter side. I'm not getting a lot of that nice pepperiness that I look for with arugula. I can see that there is some salt and pepper flakes on here, but I'm not getting a lot of it. So I do like things on the saltier side. I'd probably next time maybe ask for extra salt and pepper. I wonder if they might even have some red chili flakes or something we could sprinkle on here to give it a bit more of a pop. Otherwise, it's a fresh dish. One thing I'm noticing a trend here is that the flavors are very mild. So that's something that's good to know. Wouldn't mind trying some of their other menu items to just see how those compare. Maybe we'll have to come back. But for now, we're going to finish up and we're going to get ready for a 5K at Wild Rivers, which I'm so excited about. It should be super fun. All right. So as I was putting my dishes away, I noticed they had put out a new offering, which was a gluten-free walnut chocolate banana bread, and it looked so good. I just had to get it so I could try it before I left. Let me show you what this bad boy looks like here. Ooh hoo hoo hoo. Okay, let's try this. Let's see how this is. Oh my God. That was a good choice. She's right. She said you wouldn't be able to tell it's gluten-free. She's right. That is so moist and fluffy. Banana and chocolate go so good together. All right, this has some redeeming qualities to it. So if you come to MoonGoat Coffee Roasters, definitely get their chocolate walnut banana bread. Okay, we've arrived at Wild Rivers. I can see the water park. Let's go check in. They're doing a canned food drive, so let's go turn in our canned food as well. Let's do it. I'm excited. All right, we finished our 5K here at Wild Rivers. To be honest, I stopped my run keeper when I got to 2.5 miles. When we hit that lazy river, I just wanted to kind of enjoy it and not worry about my pace or my time or anything. And I have to say, going that half mile through the lazy river was probably the best workout I've gotten on my quads and my hips, like ever. So I may actually start implementing that in my workout routine at the gym. I might start running in the pool. That was really fun. I may come back and do this next year. I really loved kind of this unique 5K. So thank you to Karen Ware Events, and we will see you next time. Thanks for joining me on Gotta Eat and Run. Bye.